In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use DSers with eBay in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open your web browser and go to the DSers website. Once the page loads, log in to your DSers account. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up and then log in. After logging in, you'll see a platform selection screen. From the available options, choose eBay. This tells DSers that you want to connect and manage your eBay store. Next, a new page will open and ask you to install and connect DSers with eBay. Click the Install option and you'll be redirected to eBay. Here, eBay will ask you to authorize DSers to access your account. Simply click Authorize to continue. This step is required so DSers can manage products and orders for you. Once the connection is complete, you can start finding products. Inside the DSers dashboard, search for products from suppliers like AliExpress. When you find products that fit your niche, import them to your DSers import list. From the import list, you can customize everything before listing on eBay. You can edit product titles, descriptions, variations, images, and pricing so the listings match your brand and attract buyers. After editing, push the products directly to your eBay store. This saves time because you don't need to upload listings manually. When a customer places an order on eBay, DSers automatically syncs that order to your dashboard. You can process the order with just a few clicks, and DSers helps keep everything organized. Tracking details are also updated so you can monitor deliveries and keep customers informed. And that's how you use DSers with eBay to manage products and automate your order workflow. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.